Glass cutting is one of the first and most essential skills in stained glass work. Before you begin, make sure you have these basic tools ready. A glass cutter, cutting oil, running pliers, grozing pliers. Check if your glass cutter has enough oil inside. Cutting oil helps the cutter glide across the glass and protects the wheel from damage. If needed, refill it before scoring. Hold your glass cutter like a pen with a relaxed wrist. Keep it at about a 60-degree angle. Apply steady pressure and score in one smooth motion from edge to edge. For straight or long cuts, use running pliers to apply pressure evenly along the score line. Hold them so the screw is facing up. This helps apply force in the right direction and results in a smooth break. Never go over the same line twice. One consistent score is enough. For small or detailed sections, grozing pliers are ideal for gently nibbling away glass. If the break doesn't follow the score as expected, uneven pressure or a dull cutter might be the cause. If a long score doesn't break easily, tap gently along the underside using the metal ball on your cutter handle. These light taps help guide the break along the scored path. Avoid scoring tight curves or sharp corners in one motion. This often leads to unwanted breaks. Instead, split the shape into shorter, controlled lines that follow the curve. Rotate the glass if needed so each score starts and ends at the edge. Don't rush. It's better to work slowly than risk breaking the piece. Here are a few key tips to remember. Clean the glass before scoring. Even small amounts of dust, oil, or marker residue can affect how the cutter rolls and how cleanly the glass breaks. Warm up your hand with a practice score. Before working on the actual piece, make a few test scores on scrap glass to check pressure and angle. Avoid scoring too close to the edge. Try to leave at least 1 centimeter between the score line and the edge of the sheet to prevent edge cracking. Check the cutter wheel rotation occasionally. If the wheel feels stuck or does not rotate, clean it or replace it. A non-spinning wheel makes rough scores. Avoid sudden changes in direction while scoring. Keep movements fluid and curved transitions smooth. Sharp jerks can cause the score to jump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next one.